Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the weekly market for the week of December 5, 2021. First, I didn't have many videos because I was traveling for Thanksgiving and took the 2 week off. The market was extremely volatile after Thanksgiving Day to the last Friday due to the Fed Chairman Mr. Powell. He announced he will be aggressive on the tapering to fight for the inflation and the new Omicron virus they found in the 38 country. This put the investor back to the fear mode that makes the volatility index hit to the 35 level, which is a very high. And we will go to the chart and then we can see the good, the bad, and the ugly of the stock market so that we can looking for the opportunity to trade for the December. So given the recent declines in technology stock, it is important to be aware of which subsector have shown some resilience and which have been amplifying the damage. Today we will going to highlight what area may offer the peak opportunity when the demand return to the picture and which have shown a significant weakness so that we can stay away. So first of all, we talk about the good. As you know that the technology, the good stock, which is the semiconductor. So the semiconductor stock is still hang tight to the upside. Even the market is the story a little bit deeper, but the semiconductor sector they still hold up pretty well. And you can see some of the good name there. They still hang tight to the upside, like on semiconductor, and they also the hardware. Computer hardware is like Dell, okay, they are still in high demand right now. SBQ, SB, okay, so those stocks still hang tight to the upside, even the market is in short-term correction there. And talk about the best one, which is the technology services. As you can see, there's some stock like in the cyber, they after they run up too fast, they pull back down, and CRWD, okay, that's another one. They hit up and then they pull back down. But in the other hand, you also see a lot of ugly, nasty technology stock have been put it down very hard. Like you can see here, Zoom, okay, it continue to hit to the downside after they hit to 588, now only $177. So this one continue to go lower, so we will try to stay away in the software sector right now. So the next one is like DocuSign, that's another one that they fall off the cliff. They start from 308, now become $135. And so those stocks that we need for them to be stabilized. And this one is a big damage to those kind of stocks, so there's no reason for us to get back in at this moment. Another one is like Roku. It's also very nasty here, as you can see here. Okay, after it hit it like what, 485, now we come $200. Okay, and another one is related to a exercise equipment here, a stay-at-home product. They continue to drop and still stay in the low bar here. Okay, so now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see where we are heading to. So first of all, let's take a look on the immediate SP 500. So the last 10 days or more than a week, so the market has been pulled back down. So right now they are at a level of support. So let's see that if they can support here, and then we're looking for the rebound, and let's see how strong the rebound, so we can define the market, be able to find the bottom, or they put it back up and slam back down. It's like over here. Okay, so but look at the last year, we are still choppy, but the trend is still up. So let's see if they're able to put it up for the Christmas rally or not. So the next couple of weeks here, they can tell us how they are doing at this level. But on Friday, I think the last minute people try to put it back up. Right now they try to stay above the 50-day moving average. So technically, if they can clear the downtrend here, they can put it up, and then we will go from there. And if you look at the Nasdaq, it's also pull back down, but they have a stronghold at a support here. So let's see if they can hold on to this one and rebound, okay, or not. So another one, the Dow, it also puts it back down pretty hard, but they try to find a support at wide on and hold up here. So let's see if they be able to put it up on next week. The Russell 2000 is the one that they try to work out, but they fail to hold up to the level of resistance, which will become a support. Now they drop below here, so they test the buy zone again. So this is a very critical level. They need to hold on this one to push it up and try it again. But definitely a lot of damage on the small cap stock also, as you can see here. If you look at the crude oil, they pull back down pretty high after the new virus they come out. So the people getting scared, so less travel. So the oil it pulled back down pretty high, and now they found a support here. So let's see it. They'll be able to put it back next week here. Gold it also slam high after it hit to the sell zone. So now they put it back. So they have a strong support here. Let's see they'll be able to bounce back up again. So the market is still up and down in the rainbow here for gold. And if you look at the Bitcoin, it also after they run up too fast here, so they pull back down. So now they'll be able to follow the support here at this level again. So let's see it next week to be able to put it back up again. The Ethereum is also similar, but they hold up pretty tight compared to the Bitcoin. So they put it back down, follow support, put it back up. So they need to build some more momentum in order to go further. If you look at the sector right now, okay, so the material sector, they go up, they try to work out, couldn't do it, pull back, found some support. So this one that we're looking for some kind of rebound shortly. The communication services, they drop pretty high here, but they also have a strong support at this level. So they are in the oversold area. So a lot of them, a lot of sector, they are in oversold area. So we expect some rebound next week here. The energy sector also found a support there. Financial sector is still choppy, but they are still hang tight to the upper bound there. The industrial it also found a support at buy zone and looking to put it back up. The technology, the XLK, they drop a little bit, they hang tight because a lot of semiconductor, they still doing pretty well there. And the real estate, it also still hang on to the upside there. The utility sector, which is the defense sector, they hold up pretty well here. Okay, so when the market downturn, the utility sector, it still hang tight to the upside there. The healthcare, biotech, they after they hit here to the sell zone, so now they pull back and looking for some support and also looking for rebound. The consumer discretionary is still pulled back down, but they also have some support at this level too. Okay, so it seems like a lot of sector that are oversold right now, but the strongest sector that I can see they doing well right now during the first month here, that would be a consumer stable. So you can see here, consumer stable, they failed to make a new high, so they pull back down. Now they have a strong support here. So the last 2 days they try to put it back up. So a couple of stocks in this sector that you should watch. And for December, so first of all, like Procter & Gamble, this stock will continue to clear up the big bay here and continue to put to the upside. Next one is the Pepsi Cola, also pretty strong here, and then it's still in high demand. Okay, the next one is McDonald's. It also hold tight to the upside, and they are oversold, and now they try to rebound back. Okay, try to fill the gap up to the upside there. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick many stocks daily or weekly, and it depends on the market condition, and we will analyze in detail with the entry and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below thank you for watching, and then good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Okay, take care everyone.